Hear me? Mpthug, yeah, I'm back again. P back again. For the guys, man. Not the vibes. Look, Brody hit me up and said, what you can't do for a 50 bird? I said, let's do it, nigga. We got head in the fucking traffic. Hey, yo, B is lit again. I run it up again. Hey, yo, B, I'm smoking Zah again. Two double cut, I said Pauline again. Gotta lay low, cause the feds watching. Cause the feds hot. What you know about them cold, dealing with them prosecutor. Mommy told me take a break, so I move out of state. Can't back like a Remy at the plastic, I be acting brand new. Playing with the gang, stop playing with the gang, we be swimming with the fishes. If the catch me with this, I'm locked in for 100 beans. Hit the couple of pasado in my system. I hit the couple of pasado in my system. If I hit the plug, it's time to get busy on the hoe. Try phone ringing, I'm talking real money. Ballo, so money, help me come this money. I was pushing P, now I'm busting them through cars. Shut up, you rap 50K in a week. Flat on a trap, punch a car like a punch a man. Suburban truck, don't turn it out. Please don't make it hot. Body popping yak in a V, he say switch it up. Got the switch, you gotta switch it up. Switch, you gotta switch it up. Mpthug, yeah, I'm back again. Yeah, I'm back again. Bro hit me up, he said, what can you do for a 50 bird? I said, fuck it, let's do it.